Sound is second only to images in television, and it is much more powerful than words in explaining what it is like to be there. The technical term is natural sound, and it is not hidden in the background. It is that hit of pure sound that is very audible in TV and also in radio storytelling. There are 4 sources of natural sound. Sounds of the natural world, that is to say the birds in the trees, the waves on the beach. Man-made processes, which includes everything from industrial noise to traffic, to war, to typing, to music. Human interaction, that's the sound of people in a cafe or restaurant, at a football match, or in a public meeting. And the 4th type of natural sound is silence. And silence is not silent. This is silence. Natural sound not only illustrates the story, it helps the audience refocus and signals changes in location or thought in the script. And because stories for television are essentially musical in shape, where you put those hits of natural sound establishes the rhythm of your storytelling for your audience.